Good afternoon, Penn State. I am student meteorologist Jordan Root here with your Campus Weather Service forecast update for today, April 25th, 2013. And started out warm yesterday, but a cold front went through and brought cooler temperatures into the area. And today we're still feeling that cooler air accompanying the region here. And taking a look outside right now towards Mount Nittany, 46 degrees here at the University Park Airport. Pretty cool out there, especially in terms compared to yesterday. But looking at dew point about 30 and visibility about 10 miles. Very clear out there. You can see really no clouds in the sky, so basically wall-to-wall sunshine. And we do have those chilly west-northwest winds at 8 miles per hour, kind of giving you that chill. But the sun, though, still kind of making you feel a little warm out there. Definitely light sweatshirt weather if you do venture outside today. But looking today, 57 degrees as your high, and then tonight 34 degrees as your low. For averages around this year, we're actually sitting a little bit below average for today. Typically see a temperature of 64 degrees, and then for tonight a low of 42 degrees, which are your normals. But actually one point we did see 9 degrees back in 1950, which is just downright warm for this time of year, especially in late April. Of course, chilly though for a 17-degree low. But then look at sunrises and sunsets. Finally eclipsed at 8 o'clock mark, and of course sunsets will be becoming later as we progress into June and we reach the first day of summer. So taking a look at the current temperatures across the state of Pennsylvania, warm spot down there in Philly at 54, generally 50s down here in the southeastern part of the state. Cooler as you head farther west in places like State College. Johnstown, the cold spot at 38, and then heading even farther west, Franklin 45, and then Erie at 48. So taking a look at the whole nation's temperatures, generally, not too much in terms of contrast. Generally, you see the warmer temperatures down here in the south, and we do have some cool spots up here in International Falls, Bismarck area, cold, but really no real deep chills accompanying the United States right now, which is actually kind of good news here. So as we progress into the radar and satellite current, look at the current and past loops here. Really, here's that cold front that moved through our area yesterday, bringing those heavy rains, some gusty winds at times, even some rumbles of thunder. But that's well off to our east now, pushing off the coast. Behind it, drier air, clear skies. And then you do notice this little system up here in Michigan. That actually could affect us tonight, but really, in terms of precipitation, light amounts, if even that. But you can notice all these clear skies here out behind that little system. That's the high pressure. It's going to dominate into the weekend. So take a look at the eye in the future, looking at basically currently right now, clear skies outside and basically generally across the state. But you notice here's that system it's going to move through, kind of a draping cold front coming through. And could set off a few light showers here at State College. Should be maybe a few sprinkles, nothing really heavy. It might not even actually rain at all. It'll be a hit or miss kind of situation. But that'll pass through overnight, and then as we head into tomorrow, could see some foggy areas out here in the west where that rain does fall. But generally clear skies tomorrow, and should be another nice day, kind of like today. But you see as we head into tonight, clouds still stay away, and we do have some clouds out here farther in the west. But really nothing, in terms of thickness in clouds, and actually should be a pretty nice weekend in store, especially as we head into Sunday, even clearer skies then as well. So let's just break it down for you. Looking at today's forecast, 57 degrees, mostly sunny skies, shouldn't be really many clouds at all, but that chilly west-northwest wind is definitely going to keep temperatures down a little bit compared to yesterday. And as we head over tonight, again, clouds going to be increasing. That front's going to push through. Could maybe see a few sprinkles, but should remain dry as we progress through the night hours. Low of 34 degrees. And then as we head into tomorrow, again, more sun, high of 60 degrees. Should be actually a pretty nice day across State College. Again, though, those west winds will keep things chilly at times, so just be aware of that. So let's take a look at the 7-day forecast here. And generally, a sun-filled 7-day forecast. So it's actually going to be pretty nice. And, temperatures rising as we progress into the rest of the weekend and then into early next week. Looking at temperatures finally hitting 70 on Wednesday, and then even into graduation for Friday, looking pretty nice as well. So not a bad forecast. Real no big weather systems to contend with, and should be relatively dry. So that's all I got for you. Hey, thanks for checking us out. Make sure to check us out at campusweatherservice.com, also Facebook and Twitter. I'm Jordan Root. Have a great day, everybody.